big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel. And right now, I am in the beautiful land of Nepal, which is also my hometown, and I am experiencing this amazing nature. And as I'm viewing everything, as I'm observing everything, I'm thinking about my twin flame community. The twin flame community is all about going within. Why do we need to go within? We need to go within so that we heal and we clear and reform what's outside. If there is chaos, it's coming from within. If there's feeling of neglect and abandonment, it's coming from within. If there's trigger or many triggers, it's coming from within. So we just need to go within and view everything just as an observer, not someone who reacts. And by the way, if in case you happen to react, then observe that too. Because maybe it is happening so that you release some very old trauma, some very old emotion that's stuck within you and makes you feel that you're not supported, you're not loved, you're not appreciated. So, as I always say, you are your own best friend and you are your own enemy. So what do you want to be? Your enemy or your best friend? That's up to you. There's one thing that we all need to remember that all nature beings are made of 5 elements. And the same 5 elements are also in us. Like human beings, we are made of all of these 5 elements, right? So when people say that I go out in the nature and then I feel nice, or I go for a vacation, I take a break and then I feel nice, what I think is that going anywhere is good. I'm not saying you should not go anywhere, should not travel. If it happens without any planning or without too much thinking, if it happens just like that, it's a part of your life, it's a part of your routine, that's the best way to travel actually. But just in case, you're wanting to take a break and you feel a little tired and bogged down and you feel that stepping out, going to another place is going to help you out. And guess what? You come back, you feel more tired, and then you need to take some more breather to feel better about yourself. That happens because we are not looking within. We are the same nature. What you see in these trees, what you see in the sky, what you see around you, this is all nature. And you as a human being, you are equally nature and you are part of nature. In this body, you can search or you can find the whole universe, literally. So this is the reason why I always tell people, whenever you are low, whenever you're sad, whenever you're upset, just take some time out and think, what is it that's bothering you for real? And this is one of the best tips that I can give you right now, as I am in this beautiful place. And as I said, this is my hometown, and I'm half Indian and half Nepalese. So both these countries have a lot of impact even in my twin flame journey. Sometimes we need to explore also the place we come from, our place of birth, where we have been brought up, the countries we come from, the backgrounds, the family backgrounds, the cultural values, ethics, a lot of things, festivals. So as a twin flame, we should try to actually think about a lot of these things in a fun way, not in a serious way. We should take it as it comes and we should just enjoy with it. Make the most out of it. Even as I live in the cities, I have noticed that nature is all around us. When we go to the parks or we go to some nice picnic spot, or we go to a lake sort of a place or a pond, or we hang out with animals, or we grow plants around us, we are making efforts and we are taking steps that take us close to nature. Those are some hens. Hello, Murgis. Hello, Murgis. Oh. It's about to rain. It's beautiful right now. Look at these dark clouds. These are banana trees. It's beautiful breeze. One love and peace out.